Hello, I am Rachana Acharya from Mumbai and I am an online IELTS trainer. I teach IELTS, spoken English, general English to students across all age groups. I am a British Council Certified IELTS trainer. I am also TEFL certified from the Asian College of Teachers. I have done my MMS Finance from the Mumbai University. Additionally, I also have a Cambridge TKT, which is Teaching Knowledge Test certification, and also the TESOL Canada Board certification. Moreover, I have been teaching from past 2 years and have taught at least 100 students and got amazing results at the IELTS. Well, I have been an online trainer right from the start of my career. And my students have been hailing from not only all parts of India, but also other countries like Australia, UK, New Zealand, USA, Russia, Norway. As far as my teaching style goes, I encourage a lot of interaction. My sessions are highly interactive. I encourage a lot of questions, a lot of doubt solving. Teaching and learning the Queen's language is not only my passion, but I pursue it with great enthusiasm and vigor that is definitely infectious. My online sessions for the IELTS or spoken English are extremely interactive and focus a lot on the essentials of language like grammar, collocations, intensifiers, and the other essential nuances. Moreover, I give regular assignments to my students that they complete on time, and I also quickly respond to their queries and doubts. My sessions move on from basic to intermediate to advanced levels of English, and I help learners acquire their desired linguistic skills and also their desired band in the IELTS. I have been taking online classes from day one and have been extremely comfortable with the same. I feel this is the best way to reach out to the world. I use digital media for a lot of learning and have updates of the new developments in my teaching. I also regularly attend webinars and seminars and browse through different websites through which I can upgrade my skills. Sulekha's eLearning offers you personalized coaching from India's top tutors who are experts like me, who understand your needs, both academically, knowledge-wise, and psychologically. The sessions are conducted using advanced tools and technology, which aid in better, relevant, and easy learning. Thank you.